Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be talking about the if error function. Let's understand this with the help of an example. As you can see on the screen, we have a table where we have different students, their scores in semester 1, semester 2, their total score and their average score. Looks a pretty simple table where we have a total using a simple formula which is adding these two cells and the average score which is total divided by 2. So in this case, how can we use the if error function? Now imagine a situation where one of the students doesn't appear for the exam, and here instead of the score you write absent. As soon as you write a text here, your formula doesn't work and you get pound value error. How can you take care of this error that even if you write a text, the pound value error doesn't come up, or maybe another message, another text value can be displayed here? In this case, we can use the if error function. So let's use this, the top cell, and we are adding if error function to this, which says if error value. Value is my existing formula. I hit a comma. Value if error. What if there is an error and because of which you're getting a pound value error message? So suppose we want to say if there is an error message, write NA here, close bracket, hit enter. So if I double click, drag down this formula to the remaining cells, see now we don't get the pound value error. The pound value error message is replaced by the NA. Same thing we can do here. Just click after the equals to, write if error tab, the formula which is there already, let that be there, that is the value, comma, within inverted comma, if you write NA, close bracket, hit enter. Now drag this formula down, pound value error is replaced by NA. Now one point to be noted here in the formula, if I remove this inverted commas from here, the formula won't work. Whenever we want the text to be displayed, we need to use inverted commas. So if error function can be really useful when we want the display to be more professional and don't want to show the pound value error message in any kind of reporting that we are doing. I hope this video was helpful in understanding the if error function. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to cover any other topics, do let me know that as well in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys.